I'm gonna make a focaccia in a takeout pan. How about that? Or a pie pan.
Or a pie tin, right?
So you got these left over at home a lot?
Most people throw them out. We save everything.
Yeah, right. No,
My
Italians
mother's
never throw
basement, forget
anything
about
away.
it. She's got them labeled. They're going to the
We
ceiling.
never throw anything
That's right.
Put a little oil in the pan, put a little oil in the dough.
Beautiful.
Or you could stretch it out right in the pan, but it shrinks, so I stretch it out on the table.
You could even make this in a big square pan, a catering pan that you put the water in.
Right. And you could.
You got like a home-style Sicilian pizza.
Yeah, I was gonna say you can make a deep dish pizza.
Exactly.
No?
In the restaurant, when we run out of Sicilian pans, we use those pans.
Yeah.
It works the
Some
same
nice
way.
tomato sauce. Put it on. You let it proof for a little while.
Beautiful.
Throw it in the oven.
Yeah. Throw it in
A
the
little
oven.
sprinkle of cheese.
And that's gonna cook up like a shell.
That's it.
Here's some mopping for the take the shell out.
I got my shell. Got beautiful dough that just came here.
Oh, look at that.
A little mozzarella on there.
Yeah, put a little mozzarella.
You got a little bit of this fair sauce over here. Carzo, here, use the fresh
extra
stuff.
sauce.
Okay, here you go. A little more sauce on top. Nice and nice. You
What do
know,
you want to put on it? We'll put some pitted olives.
well, most people
Capers,
at home,
I like
they always got olives. They always got capers. They
Capers.
always got a little bit of salami or
Let's do
supersized.
some ham.
Cut it up. Throw whatever you got in the cabinet or in the refrigerator, whatever you got. You throw it on there.
My God, if we all lived together, it'd be ridiculous.
We'd be like 500 pounds, right?
Yeah. Little prosciutto.
All right, throw that back in, and then we got the done one. I'll grab it.
That's
I'll grab it. Oh, don't look at it. It fell out of the tin. What the heck?
What are you going to do?
But look, there's the done one. Look at that. Beautiful.
There you go. There you go. Better than delivery. Okay.
Man, these are phenomenal, right?
Now, how
Everybody
often...
in America is going to start saving all their takeout containers. It's going to be so sad. Like, their kitchens are going to be like towers of tin.